I'm pretty sure that you haven't had ribs like this, but trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making Spanish Iberico ribs with sherry with Iberico pork from Campo Grande. The first thing we want to do is prepare all the ingredients, so here's how we do that. So we got a beautiful Iberico St. Louis cut rib here, and you can just see the amazing marbling. The first thing that we want to do is remove some excess fat and the membrane on the back. Then we want to cut them into individual ribs. Now we're going to cut each of these ribs into half so you get more of a bite size. We want to season it with salt and pepper. We're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. And then we can set them aside. You want to peel a large onion and cut into sections. Then you want to throw this into a mixer. You also want to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of dried oregano and 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. You want to mix this on high until you get a puree. Then we can set it aside. All the ingredients are now prepared, so let's start cooking. We're gonna place a pan on our induction top and set the temperature to high. Next, we wanna add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And when the pan is hot, we're gonna add the Iberico rib. Now we wanna saute these for a couple of minutes until they have a brown crust. Listen to that beautiful sizzle. It smells so good in the kitchen right now. Next, we want to add the onion mix to the pan, and we're going to keep cooking this for 2 to 3 minutes until most of the liquid from the onion mix has evaporated and the onion mix is starting to look toasted. Then we want to add 1 cup of sherry from Spain, and we also want to add 2 cups of pork broth. We want to bring the pan up to a simmer, and then we're going to add the lids and lower the temperature to medium. After about 20 minutes, we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of agave nectar. Now you want to simmer this until the rib cuts has an internal temperature of about 200 degrees. When they hit that temperature, you want to remove them from the pan. Now we want to reduce the liquid until it starts thickening up. Then we're going to add the rib cuts back into the pan again and make sure that they get covered by the liquid. And then this super simple dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my Spanish Iberico ribs in sherry with St. Louis cut Iberico ribs. And on that note, the only thing left is to try this, and it smells amazing. Wow. The flavor is so good. It's really tasty. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.